Dual specialization gives me a chance to explore wider job opportunities in different sectors like BFSIs, retail, e-commerce, IT, and consultancy. Talking about the placement in NIT, NIT has a strong support system in placement and a significant percentage of the students getting placed every year, with a significantly who are more into training programs. College is providing training in different domains like Lean Six Sigma, Power BI, NISM, BFS Global, and many more. While curve packages are impressive for everyone, average packages are quite competitive in a business environment and for the freshers as well. For the MBA stream, the average package was 4.5 to 5 lakh per annum, and the highest package was 12 lakh that was offered by Planet Spa. We have a placement rate of 90 to 95% for MBA students. Every student at the end of the placement cycle, the college ensures that every student have at least one offer letter in their hand, and it's their own willingness whether they want to opt for it or not. A student gets opportunity for core as well as the diverse roles like HR, marketing, finance, SCM, and business analytics as well. For the students to be eligible, the criteria are 75% minimum attendance, as it is also adhered by the ATTO. And other than this, the minimum CGPA should be 7.5 to 8 in the both sets. PlanSubs offers the highest package, as I've already mentioned, Deloitte, and there are many other companies that sum and provide the placement opportunities to students for MBA. The college is organizing different seminars, workshops. As I already mentioned, that they have different certification program as well that is helping us in getting the placement and placement ready. As in first year MBA student, we have to do a 2-month internship program, and we have to prepare a report by the end of the August. So college is also providing that opportunities. Students who are eligible can get it easily, and the one who are facing the problem can be worked upon. College is also providing the training for the same. I would like to rate 4 to 4.5 to our placement cell, as they are providing a strong support to our career development. Thank you, sir.